Unexpected error messages can be jarring and frustrating for users. Delaying error messages until form submission adds unnecessary friction. Let's explore how to catch errors before they happen. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 718 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Immediately validate users' form field entries. Users in testing who encountered error messages upon form submission had to stop completely to find and fix the issue. This often caused delays and, in some cases, abandonment when the error was hard to locate or unclear. For example, at FatBrain Toys, users can leave a field like the zip or postal code with an invalid entry without any warning, only to encounter an unexpected error message when submitting the form, ultimately slowing them down. In testing, we consistently found that live inline validation significantly improved the error recovery experience for users. This approach checks the validity of input immediately as users type in the full value or leave the field. At B&H Photo, inline validation provides live feedback as users type, highlighting issues like missing characters, incorrect formatting, such as incomplete email addresses, or skipped required fields. However, validation shouldn't go too far by providing feedback too soon. For example, while entering her shipping address on Etsy, one user was frustrated when inline validation triggered as soon as she clicked into the street address field. To avoid making live validation distracting, errors should be checked only after users finish typing. For most fields, validate when users leave the field using an on-blur effect. And for fields like zip codes, credit cards, or phone numbers, validate once the correct length is entered. In addition to highlighting errors, it's important to confirm when users get it right. Adding a checkmark next to correct inputs provides a sense of accomplishment and progress. Positive validation also reassures cautious users who try to avoid errors or meticulously review forms before submitting. Some sites with inline validation fail to remove error messages immediately after users fix the issue, causing confusion. Error messages should update live, disappearing as soon as the input is valid. For example, at Fitbit, users see validation errors clear instantly once the field is corrected. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your form fields, including over 120 checkout guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.